Buongiorno paesani! So, I'm not gonna stay long. This is just a test because I am now, as you know, I've been for a while, part of the Amici di Montreal. No, actually, no, sorry. It's Italiani di Montreale Amici. I call them the Amici di Montreal. I'm part of their committee. I am assistant to the public relations. So, this is just a test to see if it works, because from now on, you're saying it in Sicilian with yours truly. I will be doing it live on YouTube at Italiani and Amici Montreal. So you can watch it live or you can watch the rerun. So this is a new step up for me. It's a new change. It's an improvement. So enjoy e ci vediamo presto. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend. And that's it. I'll see you soon. Baci a tutti. Salutiamo.